Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the General Lee theme on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the essential chords and strumming patterns that form the song's foundation. Then, we'll dive into the memorable main riff, ensuring you can play it with precision. Finally, I'll share some helpful tips to bring all the elements together for a complete and polished performance. Get ready to make your guitar sing. Let's begin with the foundational chords for the General Lee theme. You'll primarily use G major, C major, and D major. These three chords are the backbone of the entire song. For the rhythm, a straightforward down-up strumming pattern will get you started. Concentrate on making your chord changes clean and seamless. Practice transitioning between G, C, and D slowly, building speed as you gain confidence. This solid base is crucial for the next steps. Now for the most recognizable part, the signature guitar riff. This catchy melody is often played on the lower strings, typically the low E and A. It features a distinctive hammer-on and pull-off movement, giving it that classic country rock feel. Begin with the open low E string, then move to the 3rd fret. Focus on the precise timing and articulation of each note. Mastering this riff will truly bring the General Lee sound to life on your guitar. To complete your journey, let's bring all the elements together. Start by playing the chord progression and then integrate the main riff at the appropriate times. Using a metronome is highly recommended to keep your timing steady and precise. Once you feel comfortable, try playing along with the original recording to match the feel and tempo. With consistent practice, you'll be confidently playing the General Lee theme, a true classic, in no time. Keep strumming and have fun.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.